Invest sensibly, save, keep saving, and then delay retirement as late as possible. That's the conventional wisdom about retirement planning. But you should also consider what your income needs will be in retirement. And joining me today is Joey Paluzzi with Purple Solutions Insurance Group in Boca Raton, Florida. Joey, a pleasure. Thanks for joining us. Why don't you start by explaining transitioning a portfolio for retirement?
Well, that's a great question, Scott. When we work with our clients who are pre-retirement, we look at a couple of different factors. Number one, how much income they're going to have in retirement. Number two, very simply put, what are their fixed expenses going to be as it relates to retirement. And so we're going to work with that client if they have a noticeable shortfall of fixed and guaranteed income and expenses. We're going to cover that shortfall with programs and products that give you fixed and guaranteed income. You can't outlive them. They last for life. And we'll set up those income streams so that those fixed expenses are covered each and every month, and that client has a more peaceful existence.
Joey, is the 4% rule still valid in any way?
Well, today, more than any other time, there are other things to consider, such as inflation, taxes, and so I don't think a rule like the 4% rule is hard and fast. What we look for is any client that is drawing down 3% or more from their investable assets to cover their fixed expenses. We consider them needing income, and therefore we like to feel that the 4% is now down to 3%, understanding inflation, understanding taxes, and that's how we would work with our clients.
Now, how do you know when to take Social Security?
I think simply put, you take Social Security if you need it. Now, about 10 years ago, 70% of our clients could wait to maximum age to take their Social Security because they had no pressure on their investments to produce for them. Today, it's more like 50-50. So half of the people that we sit down with, they don't have a choice as it relates to taking Social Security early because they need as much fixed income in retirement as possible to cover their fixed expenses. And so for those clients, we're always considering fixed and guaranteed sources that give them income for life, and if there's some extra benefits that they get from those, such as free long-term care, we always look for products with those types of add-ons.
That's Joey Paluzzi with Purple Solutions Insurance Group in Boca Raton, Florida. This is Retirement News Online.